Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to redeem a Walmart gift card. If you want to redeem a Walmart gift card, then simply watch the video until the very end. First of all, open a preferred web browser, or you can also open up a Walmart application on your mobile device. Now go to the URL box if you are doing it on a web browser and type in walmart.com and search. Also, make sure that you're signed into your Walmart account. Once you are in, go ahead and add an item you'd like to purchase on your cart from the Walmart website. You can go ahead and select an item from the list or using the categories at the top and click on the add button in order to add the product in your shopping cart. Once you've added the product, go ahead and click open your shopping cart, which should be located at the top right corner. Select a delivery option and enter the rest of the information. You can also use Walmart Protection Plan by choosing the plan over here at the bottom of your product. And after you are ready for checkout, click on the checkout button at the top right. Now in the checkout page, you will need to enter your shipping address and other information. Once you are done with it, go to the payment method option and you will now need to enter your payment details. You can choose to pay with any other payment options displayed on the screen. To use your gift card as a method of payment, look for the gift card option in the display. If you don't find it there, then you will need to first manually add a gift card. So get back to the main home page of your Walmart account, and if you don't see the gift card option available in the checkout, go to the upper right corner and click on your name. Here you should click on the account option in the pop-up and under wallet/payment method, click on gift card. Now you will need to add in your gift card information. So go ahead and enter your gift card number, your 4 digits PIN available for your gift card, and then your gift card nickname in the text box. Your information will be located on your gift card itself. Once you find your credentials, your gift card information will be available right at the front or the back of your gift card as shown in the image below. Enter your correct card number, your PIN number, and then your nickname and click on Save Card. Once you save your gift card, you will then be prompted to enter your gift card number during checkout with the product. So that is how you should be able to use your Walmart gift card in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.